A cookie recipe calls for 1 cup of white sugar and 3 cups of brown sugar. Make a table showing the comparison of the amount of white sugar to the amount of brown sugar. Each time the white increases by 1, the brown needs to increase by 3. You fill in that last one. 1. Write the value of the ratio of the amount of white sugar to the amount of brown sugar. It doesn't get any simpler than that. 1/3 is as reduced as it can get. Then it says write an equation that shows the relationship of the amount of white sugar to the amount of brown sugar. Well, the brown sugar is 3 times the amount of white sugar. Another way that you might be able to write this is the white sugar is 1/3 of the amount of brown sugar. Both of those equations work. 3 says explain how the value of the ratio can be seen in the table. The white sugar is always 1/3 of the brown sugar. 4. Explain how the value of the ratio can be seen in the equation. 3 is used when going from white to brown. 1/3 is used when going from brown to white. So if you're given the brown and you're going to the white, you use 1/3. If you're given the white and you're going to the brown, you use 3. So it's just a difference of the way of writing it. 1/3 and 3 can be used. Those are called reciprocals of one another. It's just the flipped over version of each other. And the reason that we have both is because it depends on which one you start with. If somebody gave you the amount of brown sugar was, say, 18, you could take 1/3 and figure out how much white sugar it was. If somebody said, okay, what about if I had 10 white sugars? You could use the 3 to work that way to determine how much brown sugar you have. So it's just a difference of looking at it. It's not going to change the value in your table.